Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, today I want to share with you the best zero down opportunity in the Portland metro area. But first, just a little bit about me. I'm a loan officer in Oregon and Washington. You can see my contact info there if you want to get a hold of me. And let's just jump right into it. So probably the best opportunity is right here from actually the state of Washington. If you go to just WSHFC, you can navigate and see the just phenomenal interest rates that they're offering for zero down first-time home buyers. In fact, you don't actually have to be a first-time home buyer. Anyways, we're looking at today, it's 3.625% interest. And I want to make it a little bit clear for everybody how this works. So you get a home loan. Let's just say the home loan is for $300,000. And this program actually gives you 4% of the home loan amount towards your closing costs and down payment. So for a $300,000 home, that would be $12,000. Now, this is for FHA, which only requires 3.5% down. So it's going to cover your down payment and it's going to cover some of your closing costs. Now, I have completed 3 of these for clients in the last month. And in, I believe, every case, the total money out of pocket for those clients was less than $2,000. And that was, earnest money paying for the appraisal and the inspections, and that was it. And then they use seller credit, which a good real estate agent can help you get to pay all of the other expenses. Anyways, just a little bit of detail about how the program works. That 4% that they give you, it's not a gift, it's what's called a silent second. So they make a little loan for that $12,000 off to the side, no interest, no payments. You will eventually have to repay that though. It's not free money. So when you refinance, you sell the house, or in 30 years, when you finish the 30-year fixed rate mortgage, you have to start paying back. I believe at the 30-year scenario, you actually start a payment plan. It's not like the whole $12,000 is due instantly. And let me give you a little bit of insight on what you need to do to lock your interest rate, get pre-qualified, get ready. So you have to contact a great loan officer. I'd love it if you'd reach out to me. And the other things we'll have to do is you'll have to actually find the house you're looking for. You can't lock a loan without a specific address. And the other thing you're going to have to do is go to that WSHFC.org, click on the home buyers, and click on the homeowners education. And then right here, there's a link for an online class that's required. Now, you don't have to have this done until it's time to lock the loan, but most people are going to want to, contact me, do the online application, make sure they qualify, and then do the class just to be ready. Because as soon as your offer on a home is accepted, probably want the ability to lock that interest rate sooner than later. From such a low point, it can really go up. Anyways, if you have any questions, please give me a call. Also, like, share, and subscribe this video, and check out the rest of my channel. Have an awesome day.